private boats na pwedeng rentahan.
Ay mo talaga mapigil, no?
Hindi ako basta-basta sumusuko. I think yun yung isa sa mga qualities ko na nagustuhan ni Ali.
Ciao, Ciao. This is Finito, best chef in Manila, and this is Zhao.
Hi, Jao.
What's up, brother?
Nice to meet you.
Join us. Yeah, karaoke night.
Hindi, I need to rest. I had a long day. Guys, enjoy.
Maradyaw na gabi sa inyo tanan, mga katigpips!
Hanbino pa! I didn't know you have such a good singing voice.
Thank
I'll
you.
upload the video of your performance on my vlog, okay?
Please don't do that. Delete the video.
Ali! Tara! Oh my gosh!
Hindi na ba magbabago talaga yung isip mo? Kasi feeling ko naman Jao really cares for you a lot.
Sir, I found this photo sa socials ng friend ni Ali. Taken last month lang.
I'm sorry.
Jao? Jao, I can explain.
Alam mo si Ali? Bakit mo siya tinatago sa akin, Kara?
Sorry, Jao, pero ayaw ka kasi niyang makita.
Gusto ko siya makausap.
Wala na siya dito. Umalis na siya ng isla kanina.
Dalhin mo ako sa kanya. Dalhin mo ako sa kanya, Kara, please.
Sorry, hindi ko alam kung saan siya pumunta.
Tingin mo ba maniniwala pa ako sa'yo? All this time, niloloko mo lang pala ako. All this time, pinaniwala mo ako na hindi mo kilala si Ali.
Hindi ko naman sinasadyang saktan ka. Naging kaibigan ko kasi si Ali, so I wanted to help her. And I thought by keeping you away, I was doing the right thing, pero mali ako. Pinilit ko din siya magstay, pero ayaw niya talaga eh.
Gusto ko siya makausap. I want to see her. Please.
Hindi ko alam kung nasan siya.
And then call her. I'm sure alam mo kung ano yung bagong number niya. Hindi niya ako sinasagot eh. Call her, please.
Ate, papili naman ako ng mga matamis, oh. Ayan. Pero yung isa, wag masyado. Siguro mga 3 lang. Yun.
Ali.
Ay, hello. Ay, wait. It's Kara.
Okay.
Hello, Kara?
Hello, Ali.
Ali? Hello, Ali?
Jao?
Usap naman tayo, please. Sorry kung may mga nagawa man ako for you to do this, but can we talk? Let's fix this, please, Ali.
Jao. No.
Can't fix this.
think it's time for you to let go.
Ganun lang kadali yan. 15 years, Ali. But... Sige, naiintindihan ko kung ayaw mo na. But... Can we at least... see each other one last time? Please? I'll wait for you.
Ano? Natuntun ka na niya?
Joe, I'm really sorry. Hindi ko naman intensyon na saktan ka. I really was just protecting Ali.
Alam ko maayos pa namin ni Ali. Maayos pa namin. Sana ako pwede makipagkita sa kanya.
Sa baba.
Hindi siya nagalit sa'yo?
Hindi.
Pait naman ni Kuya Jao. Wala siyang ibang inisip kundi si Ali.
Ito naman kasing si Ali. Kung kinausap na lang niya si Jao, edi tapos na.
Gusto kaya yun si Joe?
Parang sobrang concerned naman ni Ate Cara kay Kuya Jao, no ma?
Paano naman hindi ako magiging concerned? Kasalanan ko din naman bakit lumalayo ng gano'n. Kinonsinti ko din kasi si Ali.
Oo nga. Pakialamera ka kasi.
Tinuod.
Ay, ba't nakikiin? Isip na nga ako paano ako babawi. Para naman maayos na yung gusto na yun. Gusto ko nang malinis yung konsensya ko.
Tingin mo, Ate Cara, isiputin kaya ni Ali si Kuya Jao.
Basta ito walang gusto.
How's the Cebu project coming along? I checked out the preliminary renders of the villas. They look really good, huh? Nice work. Sir Darwin liked the presentation.
Heartmate canola oil, prescribed by cardiologists, with zero cholesterol that's good for the heart. Lutong Heartmate, lutong pagmamahal.
Darwin liked the presentation. The barefoot luxury vibe is spot on. Jao?
Sir.
Everything all right on your end?
Yes, sir. About the project, we are closely coordinating with marketing so that they stay aligned with our design.
Kailan ka papunta sa site? We need boots on the ground to keep this thing tight. I'm thinking next week is perfect.
I'm flying out Thursday, sir, and probably would stay on site for at least 3 days.
Good. 3 days should be good enough to get a solid grasp. Update mo ko, ha? This project's going to be huge. We can't afford any slip-ups. By the way, Jao, ha? You better start thinking about your next big project. I'm talking about something bigger than this. That way, I can recommend you to take over my position as department head. Kaya, galingan mo, ha? I'm counting on you, Jao.
Got it, sir.
Don't let me down.
I'll wait for you.
Ay!
What happened, sir?
Nothing, sir. Napuwing lang.
Wait. Let me see. Don't move, okay?
Okay.
Peppermint?
What?
Pero okay na. Let's go, sir. We might get late.
Okay.
Pearl, tulungan natin.
Thank you.
Tabi tayo?
Sure, tara.
Her, sit in front. Come with me.
Huh? Why? I thought you know the way to Pacific already.
I get confused sometimes. I need your help.
Okay.
Zhao, we are going to Pacifico. You want to surf?
No, maybe next time I need to go somewhere.
Sayang, you have a tour again?
No, actually, I found her, Mr. Han.
Oh,
I found Ali.
oh,
OMG.
I'll go ahead. Sorry.
very good, nice. Go on. Let's go.
Kay Kara lang ay mo barkada uli na kay kalong isab kay na pa dyan.
Okay ka pa?
Wala na talaga, no? Hanggang dito na lang kami. Hanggang dito na lang yung kwento namin ni Ali.
Tara na, Joe.
Kara, thank you sa pagsama sa akin, ha? I bought that ring because Ali deserves it.
Nakita niyo si Zhao?
I think he's buying souvenirs.
Nakita ko si Sir Pogs kanina. May pupuntahan daw siya.
Bukas na yung flight niya papuntang Manila, diba?
Kara, you should go. Nakita tayo?
Alam mo, na-appreciate ko nga itong time na to, Kara, kasi hindi ko naman to nakikwento sa mga kaibigan ko sa Maynila eh.
Naniniwala naman ako na lahat ng yun kailangan mangyaring.
Thanks, Kara.